the change in tone, they love that. And just because your budgie's tiny doesn't mean that they're not smart. It doesn't mean that they don't like it. They're parrots.
So I put the millet right there to try to see if they would at least go for the millet and go on top of the cage to the playground area. He's climbing the ladder. They're trying to figure out how to get up there. They're only 6 months old. They're babies, so they're trying to figure it out. No, they're sweaty. Every time I think she's coming for the millet, she goes back in. So I put the millet on the side right here so they could see it through the gate and see if they will try to go on top on their own without me putting them on top. And they're at the gate. They came out. They came out and they're at the very top. They're not at the very top now. Well, they went to the tip of the top and came back down. So I'm just waiting to see if they're gonna go up. They're not too far. Let's see. They went back in the cage. I think the noise in the kitchen just started scaring them. And they went back in the cage. I'll continue to monitor them throughout the day and see what happens. I didn't get to video fully. Did she find her way to the millet? Where is Cosmo? Oh, he's eating the millet through the gate. Let's see if he's gonna come around. Wow. We gotta move because he's eating it through the gate. Put in a different spot. But at least she found it. She figured it out. And she went on the playground. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Oh. She's on the bird bath. Lovely. Lovely. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Keep catching. She's going in and out of the bird bath. She's enjoying it. She went in like 4 times and came back out. Meanwhile, Cosmo is at the bottom playing with his toys. I keep missing it. So she flew down from the top of the cage to the perch that I put by the first gate. Wow. So Princess is learning her way around the cage faster than Cosmo is. Cosmo at the bottom eating. I want to see what Princess' next move is going to be. He's at the bottom drinking water. She's back in the cage. I'll come back when she's trying to get out again.
Step up. Good job. Give him a treat. Give him a treat.
So they're singing. They're on top of the perch, singing. They stop. Oh my. They sounded so beautiful. I think they're doing it when the TV's on. They're not sick. They only sing when your TV's on.
So to put the TV on?
Yeah.
My name is Miles Moran.
You see?
Yeah.
And he wobbled his tail. Put the TV on again.
Okay.
I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for like 2 days, I've been the one and only spider.
Press mute.
I think you know the rest.
Did you just talk? Kazi, did you just talk? I heard words. I can't make it out. But I heard the words in between the singing. Oh my. They're running around on the playground. They're looking for millet. Because this is where I usually put their millet, their treats. I put it in the shoes and they find it. And I also put it in the shoes right here. So they know where to find it. But they ate it off. And they're running around looking. Look at this one. Princess went on the swing. Cosmo loves taking a bath. Princess don't, but she'll do it when she see Cosmo go in.
Hey, Fish, how's it going? How's life?
That's just set up. They have a little ladder going up to the first door of the cage, and then they have a perch on the second door of the cage. Sometimes they perch here and they go right here and they climb up.
Thanks for everything, Liam.
And yeah,
The best friend you've ever had.
this is their food area. They have a lot of toys. Toys over there, toys up here, toys over here, toys in the back. They have another shoe toy right in the back.
You might finish your training early.
Toys, a lot of toys. And they still have more toys that I haven't even put out yet. They love to be in the playground area. They love it. Sometimes when it's time for them to go and they get tired, they will purge right here and go in.
Hello, insert name here. Would you like to engage?
And sometimes they purge up on their own as well. Cosmo and Princess are taking their bird bath. Let me see if I can get a closer view.
Actually, he just passed away. But when we took him in, the people didn't, they kept him in the garage. They didn't even know that he was blind. He
I
was totally
interrupt them.
blind. There were two of them in two separate cages, and the mate was next to him, and the green one was totally blind. But they paid so little attention, they didn't even know.
That's the second one we had that was blind, but the people that surrendered him to us had no clue the bird was blind. The first one was a cockatoo, and I think we had that bird in the house for 2 or 3 hours, and Rose said, this bird has trouble seeing.
Well, the macaw that was blind had cataracts, and I never noticed it. But those are the kind of birds that are that we've set up this facility to care for. Ones that can't go into homes, and some of them have things that they've been through such abuse all their lives. They're not going to live too much longer, but at least they can live free.
I've had many situations where there's birds and you have 100 birds, and I know you guys take in a lot of those birds. What do you do to take in those birds and find homes? And tell me about your fosters and how you find fosters.
Foster homes are very important to us. We don't have a facility for anything other than the macaws, and we need people to take the birds into their home and treat them like their own family, so that the birds can start trusting again and care for them. It's different.